Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I want to go over some steps with you to help you get started in the direct mail order business. Getting started, number one, click on the links that I provided for you in the description box below this video. Pick the level you want to start at, then print out the flyer. That's number one. Number two is fill out the flyer and send it off with your payment. That's number two. Number three is click on the mail order lead link that I provided for you and order your peel and stick labels. Now when you order your peel and stick labels, you want to order opportunity buyers. Those are people that actually buy things online. So when you're ordering your peel and stick labels, and I have provided you the links to the companies that I use personally, and they're awesome, order the opportunity buyers. Okay? That's number three. Number four, buy your stamps from eBay or join a stamp club. Now if you go to eBay and type in Forever Stamps, sometimes you can come across a good deal. Or you could join the stamp club that some of these programs provide, and people will mail you stamps. Either way, whatever suits you. Number five, buy your envelopes from the dollar store. You can't go wrong with the dollar store. They're very, very cheap. So that's where you want to get your envelopes at, the dollar store. Number six, once you receive your flyers in the mail, make copies and mail out. Start at the 52-52 formula. And what I mean by the 52-52 formula is mail out 52 flyers per week for 52 weeks. That's what I mean by that. 52 flyers a week for 52 weeks. That's what you want to try to do. Or you could do more if you could, or if you can. But I recommend you do the 52-52. 52 flyers a week for 52 weeks. Try to do that. Alright, number seven. The key to success in the mail order business is to be consistent. Consistency pays off. You have to be consistent. You have to constantly be mailing every week to see results. Okay? Mail out every week. That's number seven. So those are the steps I wanted to go over with you and share this information with you. Hopefully it'll help you in your business. I appreciate you watching this video. Thank you for watching, and good luck. Take care.